Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is Toehider. So, this is one of my off-topic videos, though to be fair, this isn't very far off topic. If you're a Toehider fan and you've landed on this video, look at my channel, you'll see it's a lot of metal, death metal at that. Now, Toehider fits into the rock, sometimes metal genre, but it is well, the album's called What Kind of Creature Am I? I mean, it's perfect, really. Toehider is an odd creature. It is something that at once can have the most amazing, heartfelt songs that kind of really touch you inside, kind of thing. And on the other end, you've got just soaring rock anthems and everything in between, and it goes off into some very, very quirky places. So for this channel, yeah, it is kind of off topic. This is a song called Whatever Makes You Feel Superior, and the lyrics are great. This is a performance that the singer Michael Mills did, like a live concert online due to pandemic reasons. And when I say the singer Michael Mills, what I mean is Michael Mills is Toehider. He's the Australian Devin Townsend. You know, he's one of these multi-instrumentalists. You know, he plays the drums, he plays the guitar. He's one of these people that writes these amazing songs. He's one of those people that's just got too much talent crammed into one person, so I hate him. And unfortunately, I also love him at the same time. He's been on Arian albums. He was on my favorite album of 2018. Is it that long ago? 2018. Astura, an album called The Room. That was literally my #1 album of the year. And Michael does an amazing job on that. So he has this incredible voice, as you are about to hear. So don't listen to 1 minute of this song and think, nah, this isn't for me. Stay and listen to it. And because what you get in the first minute is not the song, you know? It's one of those songs that you have to see it through to the end to get the full effect. So I do these off-topic things because not everything on my iPod is just, you know, death metal. I realized out running, because I do a fair amount of running, that I have a disproportionate amount of Toehider songs in my running music compared to Fear Factory, say. So something about them has definitely latched onto my consciousness. Sounds literally dangerous. Right, so like I say, this is literally, it's one man. He does everything himself. He is the Australian Devin Townsend. This is from a live performance, probably from his back bedroom onto the internet. So cop for this, as they say. He's done lots of albums. This one's from 2014. And there are some amazing songs on this, but he's done a lot of music. So if you're in any way enamored with this, please check out Michael Mills and Toehider. Because they need more. It's just one of those things you think more people should know about this, you know, which is why we're here, really. So, like I say, stick with this, listen to it all the way through, then make your mind up. Oh, it's broken. Pause. I've broken it. Pardon me while I click on some thing that, ta-da! I have no idea what went wrong there.
Thanks a lot for sharing this. Oh, I like it when you speak so passionately.
You're welcome.
Wait, there must be more than this. I tend to tap out momentarily. Every time I close my eyes, I marvel at the power of the mind's persuasion. How can I not realize who am I to judge, who am I to disagree? When you're running like the rabbit, that's when I know it's time to go and get my coat. Gagging, choking, puking, when you're forcing your opinions down my throat. But whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior. Whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior. Somewhere in that hateful light, there must be a glimpse of humility and acceptance. Somewhere in that grumpy heart, there must be a no give back with you again. Oh, yeah. Look at your friends' faces. Don't it look like they're not having any fun? It becomes less about your theory and more about the feeling that you wear. But whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whatever makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior. Try to think yourself as much as serious. I start to think that maybe you are delirious. Makes you feel, whatever makes you feel superior.
It's just amazing. What an amazing voice. Amazing guitarist, amazing talent. Michael, you're kind of amazing. Oh dear, that sounds crawly, doesn't it? I mean, can you imagine me running along with this in my headphones and I'm pulling these faces and people think I'm in pain from all the running and really I'm just feeling those notes. Yeah, literally running on. Whatever makes you feel superior. Yeah, doing the. I mean, I'm never going to hit one of those notes even if I fell off a cliff. The songs are just so well constructed. They're so entertaining. The lyrics are so clever. You're probably thinking, well, it's not too off topic for this channel because that's a pretty rocky song. And yes, it is. But a lot of the songs are not. A lot of the songs go off in different directions. This has an amazing song on it about a sloth, which is a big prog epic. He writes whatever, as in my humble opinion, he writes whatever he feels suits the subject he wants to write about. So you get songs in all these like different genres. Check it out, I think is what I'm saying, which is why this video exists, of course. Hedgy recommends Toehider. Just this song, this could have been such an easy, lightweight song, really, couldn't it? You know, I've got a point to make about people who are just very opinionated and think a lot of themselves. I could probably make that point in a short, simple, straightforward way. But no, instead, I pile in all of this amazing stuff onto what is just a thought in his head kind of thing. So I end up with a 6-minute song that takes you places, you know. And you listen to the album version and you just think that bit in the middle with all of these, you know, his high vocals and the orchestration and stuff, it literally goes epic at that point you're listening to it. So Toehider, whether it's a band you've heard of, I don't know. But you should. So here we are. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you enjoyed that. Like I say, slightly off topic for the channel, but that's the whole point of these off topic videos. See you soon. Bye bye.